morning, day 2 mga kap. Here we go.
Let's go.
Ayaw pala.
Mag-iingat ha, mag-iingat. Day 2 Papa Berlito, dahil sisibat na. Kailangang umuwi, daddy duties. Day 2 Discord check. Sino nasa Discord?
Oo, Mike.
Ayan, yan. So, day 2 tayo. It was a great night last night. Punta tayong Pagudpod ngayon. Alright, time check 7:29. From bahay 450.8 kilometers ang tinakbo natin. Papa Berlito, mag-ingat ha. Love you. Breakfast muna tayo. Eden. Iwan na namin yung mga bag, sir. Eden Garden of Vegan. Ayan.
Sigurado kang tago ah.
Putay na layo. Akala ko ito. So Hidden Garden, dito kami kakain. So if you guys wanna go here, take note na yung parking is nandun. Medyo may distansya, so hindi nyo kita yung mga
Sabi ni ate.
bikes. Alright, so here we are, Hidden Garden. Breakfast lang tayo. Hidden talaga yung lugar kasi look, oh. Morning po. So it's like a museum din. Soseki, the Art of Stone Collection. Galing. So that's the place. Look. Morning po.
Hello, sir.
Hello po, good morning. Oh, the place is big. Okay. Wow. Grabe ang deceiving nung ano? Ang deceiving nung lugar sa labas.
Hidden Garden.
Para siyang karinderya sa labas na okay, that's it. Pero
Hidden ko.
ganda ng place. Right. Let's check the menu. Yan, pause nyo na lang.
Breakfast.
Nice. Done with breakfast. Next stop, Pawai Sand Dunes. Let's go. 1 hour 44 minutes.
I know what you want, but I don't wanna talk. You say it's no one's fault, the battles that we lost, the chances I gave you, I never complained, it's true. The nights you didn't call, did not come home at all. Who's gonna hold your
Ito na lang.
hand in the dark? Who's gonna walk
Tama ka, medyo malalim yung kanan ha. Ingat.
BM, ito na pagkakataon mo, makahanap ng kaparehas.
Huwag na tayo magtanggal ng helmet.
when you're falling
here we go. We're going to sand dunes. Nandito na rin lang din kami. Experience na namin, di ba? So let's go.
Di ba to? Ay, ang ganda. Solid o ganda.
Daming tao?
Sand
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Suba tayo. Ang sarap itan ng motor ko dyan ah. Suba? Suba yan. Suba yan.
Oy, 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 putang ina yan.
Ano naman to, buhangin?
Teka. Teka, 1, 2, 3, go.
Teka, walang hawakan, hinahanap ko.
Ito, dito ka na mamak sa ano, sa strap. 1, 2, 3.
Game. Madulas kasi yung
sinasabi ko.
buhangin eh. Di kami
Tulang na rin natin.
Dapat
Bawal ka dyan, napipigat. Hindi kami pwede
Tulang
dyan.
na rin natin. Tulok dun.
hanap na lang tayo ng
Kasi sa
katat
akin.
eh.
Too late ate, nandito na kami. Sabihin mo sa kanya, too late, nandito na kami. Ayan. So here we are, sand dunes. You know, first time at the sand dunes. What an experience! Wow! What an experience! Saya nun, saan dunes? Grabe yung adrenaline mo dun. So, biyahe na uli kami. Next stop namin is, I believe, going to be the Bangi Windmills. Oh, lakas ng akin. We made it.
Ako na lang itong SUV.
We made it.
Naligo ako ng batak.
Good morning. Day 3. Day 3. Ilocos. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Day 3 nga. Ayan. Gearing up. Punta kami Patapat. And then breakfast. Ayan. Let's go. Painit na tayo. So far, mula sa bahay hanggang dito, 623.6 kilometers na tinakbo natin. Bold start. Ayun oh! Ganda!
I know what you want, but I don't wanna talk. You see, it's no one's fault. The battles that we lost.
Walang ibang masabi kundi ang ganda mo!
I never complain, it's true.
Yun oh!
The nights you didn't call, did not come home at all.
Achievement unlocked.
Who's gonna hold your hand in the dark?
Isa sa mga pangarap kong puntahan.
Cold, cold heart. Not me, it's not me. Not me, it's not me. Who's gonna be there when you're breaking down? Who's gonna fix you when I'm not around? Not me, it's not me. Not me, it's not me. Who's gonna stay when you're falling
Grabe.
apart? Who's gonna
Napakasaya.
warm your cold, cold heart? Who's gonna warm your cold heart?
Sarap sa pakiramdam, sir.
Keep calling up my phone like there is nothing wrong. You think we can pretend, keep acting to the end. Oh baby, you're crazy. Think you can still fool me? You know the time is up. You'll never.
So yun mga kap, grabe, iba yung sayang nararamdaman ko. Yung lugar na gustong gusto kong papuntahan, ito na. Finally, nakarating na tayo. Kahapon, napuntahan na natin yung Calle Crisologo. Napuntahan na rin natin yung Bangi Windmills. And today, Patapat Bridge. Grabe. Dati sa video mo lang napapanood, no? Video ko lang napapanood. Ngayon, ito na. Napuntahan ko na. Siyempre, salamat. Salamat sa Panginoon for the blessing at saka lakas para magawa tong ride na to. And siyempre, sobrang salamat sa asawa kong sobrang supportive. Yan. Nakakatawa lang. Ayan. Balik lang tayo sa transient. Balik na tayo sa transient para makapagpahinga at saka makakain. Hindi tayo galing tayong Blue Lagoon actually. Kaso nabuisit lang ako. Hindi na tayo kumain. Ayan. Anyway, so yun, kita-kits mamaya. Sarap. Last day. Back to reality mamaya.
Hi guys. Alam.
Sulitin natin ang pagod po.